Linda is 31 years old. She's single, bright, outspoken, and deeply concerned with issues of social justice. She majored in philosophy in college and was active in anti-nuclear protests and campaigns against racial discrimination. Based on this description, take a look at the following 8 statements about Linda and rank them from most to least likely to be true. A. Linda is an elementary school teacher. B. Linda works in a bookstore and takes yoga classes. C. Linda is a feminist activist. D. Linda is a social worker for people with mental disabilities. E. Linda is a member of the League of Women Voters. F. Linda is a bank teller. G. Linda is an insurance agent. H. Linda is a bank teller and a feminist activist. Chances are, you rank them based on how well Linda's personality and background seem to fit each role. That is, how representative she seems of each description. But here's the catch: your rankings must follow a basic principle of probability. Let's focus on just 3 of the statements: C, F, and H. According to probability theory, the likelihood of Linda being a feminist activist, C, or a bank teller, F, must each be equal to or greater than the likelihood that she is both a bank teller and a feminist activist, H. In probability terms, it looks like this. If your rankings violated this rule, you've just committed what's called a conjunction fallacy. This happens when people judge the probability of 2 events occurring together as higher than the probability of either one alone, which isn't possible under the rules of probability theory. This well-known experiment, often called the Linda problem, was introduced by Daniel Kahneman, Paul Slovic, and Amos Tversky in their 1982 book Judgment Under Uncertainty: Heuristics and Biases. In their study, 85% of the 88 undergraduates at the University of British Columbia rated the likelihoods as follows: Statement C, Statement H, and Statement F, thus violating the basic laws of probability. So why do so many people make this mistake even when the logic is clear? According to the authors, the answer lies in the representativeness heuristic, a cognitive shortcut that leads us to overvalue traits associated with social stereotypes. Because our judgment draws on familiar prototypes, Linda's background seems to fit the image of a feminist more than that of a bank teller. As a result, bank teller and feminist feels more accurate, even if it's statistically less likely.